Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And do you know what we will read today? We will read about water. You know how important water is? Without water, we can't live. And it's so useful for us, And today, first of all, we will see many pictures today. And what we will learn today? We will learn the sources of water, from where we get water. So let's see the pictures. Wow, beautiful scenery, isn't it? So we get water from the river. You must have seen the river nearby, isn't it? There is a river, and when you go to Ranchi, isn't it? There are so many, 2 or 3 small rivers are there, and this river, it gives us water. It is a source of water. And then there is stream. So stream, you can see the small streams which flow in the mountains, and they also provide us water. And then next, this is a beautiful lake, and this is also a source of water. We get water from the lake. And then here it's a pond. You can see the pictures, the animals, the human beings, everyone come near the pond to take water. The animals, birds, they drink water from here, isn't it? It's also a source of water. Then the ocean, beautiful ocean full of water. You can see lots and lots of water in it, isn't it? It is also a source of water. And you love to visit the beaches. The sound of the waves, the beauty of the ocean is so mesmerizing. It's so beautiful. And next, what we see, rain. Nowadays, you experience rainy season. And this rain, it is a very good source of water. We get water from the rain also. Rainwater harvesting. So we can collect this rainwater and save it for our future. We can harvest it. We can save the water. And this rain is also a source of water. And next, the clouds, they also contain water. The water from the earth, it gets evaporated and collected in the cloud, and this is also a source of water. And now you must have seen these hand pumps. The children are drinking water from there. There is a grandma who is filling the pot, isn't it? This hand pump, it is also another source of water. And then what else? Well, you must have seen it, isn't it? You may be having this well in your houses. So this is also a source of water. And then the tap, you can see the tap, the supply water tap, or the tap which you have in your houses, they also provide water. These taps, they are also a source of water. So we can get water from these sources. Some are natural, like ocean, ponds, lakes, streams, river, isn't it? And some are man-made. You can see there well, tap. So these are the different sources of water: rain, tap, stream, lake, river, well, and so many other things which we learned right now. So what you have to do? You have to learn these. And these are the sources of water. And do you know what we will read in the next class? We'll learn how the uses of. What are the uses of water? And we will also have a rhyme. So now you learn this. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.